Hello, my name is Tiffany Richardson, and I'll be doing my presentation on thyme. The characteristics of thyme, also known as vitamin B1, it is one of the 5 water-soluble vitamins. A water-soluble is a vitamin that can dissolve in water. It also has limited solubility in alcohol and even less solubility in less polar organic solvents. I listed 7 food sources of thyme. They're not in any order, whether they have high or low source of thyme. But I have yeast, beef, pork, nuts, potatoes, cauliflower, and oranges. The 2 main functions of thyme are it helps the body generate energy from nutrients. It is necessary for the growth, development, and function of cells. It changes carbohydrates into energy, especially the brain and nervous system. I didn't really find a lot of information for thyme, what it's best known for, but what I did find, it's for treating people who have heart disease, metabolic disorder, canker sores, and motion sickness. Food prep consideration. When heating food containing thyme, it can also reduce the amount. Because thyme dissolves in water, that means most of it would be thrown out when you're done cooking. If you cook vegetables in small amounts of water and keep the lid on, you won't lose any thyme or other vitamins. Rinsing pasta or rice can cause you to lose thyme. You should try to avoid rinsing it after you cook it. Some interesting facts about thyme. In the United States, people consume half of their thyme intake in food that already contains thyme, while the rest of food is improved or enforced with thyme. We also need a continuous amount of thyme since it is not stored in our body. Thyme has a role in muscle contraction and conduct or nerve signals. Many foods we eat are fortified with thyme. Deficiencies in thymes. If we're not receiving the recommended amount, 1.2 milligram for male and 1.1 milligram for female, it can lead to weight loss and anorexia can develop. There could also be mental problems, for example, short-term memory and confusion. Muscles may become weak and cardiovascular symptoms can occur. A disease called beriberi, which causes inflammation of the nerves and heart failures. There's also another one called Winnik-Korsakoff syndrome. is a degenerative brain disorder caused by the lack of thyme present in the body. The only risk of toxicity I found was if you have excess amount of thyme, it is released through your urine. I mean, it's not really a bad side effect, but it can happen. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it.